ويعلمك متعة التعلم والمعرفة.
سبعة وخمسون
57.
57.
عند الطبيب.
At the doctor.
At the doctor.
عندي موعد مع الطبيب.
I have a doctor's appointment.
I have a doctor's appointment.
الموعد عندي في 10:10.
I have the appointment at 10 o'clock.
I have the appointment at 10 o'clock.
ما اسم حضرتك؟
What is your name?
What is your name?
تفضل أجلس في غرفة الانتظار.
Please take a seat in the waiting room.
Please take a seat in the waiting room.
الطبيب سيأتي حالاً.
The doctor is on his way.
The doctor is on his way.
تأمينك الصحي مع أي شركة؟
What insurance company do you belong to?
What insurance company do you belong to?
بماذا أقدر أن أخدمك؟
What can I do for you?
What can I do for you?
هل تشعر بألم؟
Do you have any pain?
Do you have any pain?
أين الموضع الذي يؤلم؟
Where does it hurt?
Where does it hurt?
أشعر دائما بألم في الظهر.
I always have back pain.
I always have back pain.
عندي صداع في أغلب الأوقات.
I often have headaches.
I often have headaches.
أشعر أحيانا بألم في البطن.
I sometimes have stomach aches.
I sometimes have stomach aches.
من فضلك أكشف النصف العلوي من جسمك.
Remove your top.
Remove your top.
من فضلك تمدد على السرير.
Lie down on the examining table.
Lie down on the examining table.
ضغط الدم تمام.
Your blood pressure is okay.
Your blood pressure is okay.
أعطيك إبرة.
I will give you an injection.
I will give you an injection.
أعطيك حبوب.
I will give you some pills.
I will give you some pills.
أعطيتك وصفة طبية للصيدلية.
I am giving you a prescription for the pharmacy.
I am giving you a prescription for the pharmacy.